Objectives. By the end of this lab, you should be able to define what-if analysis, list the what-if analysis tools, describe the utility of each tool, and use the goal-seek feature. What-if analysis tools. What-if analysis is the process of changing the values in cells to see how those changes will affect the outcome of formulas on the worksheet. There are three kinds of what-if analysis tools in Excel: scenarios, data tables, and goal-seek. Scenarios and data tables take sets of input values and determine possible results. A data table works only with one or two variables, but it can accept many different values for those variables. A scenario can have multiple variables, but it can accommodate only up to 32 values. And goal-seek works differently from scenarios and data tables. It considers a result and determines possible input values that produce that result.
Using goal-seek. You can use the goal-seek feature if you know the result that you want from the formula, but are not sure what input value the formula requires to get that result. Say you have created a sales forecast for the next year based on the prevalent conditions. Let's assume that we currently have an estimation of 2,20,000 for the first quarter, but you want it to be rupees 2,25,000. Now to change this to rupees 2,25,000, we can use goal-seek. Let's see how to use goal-seek in detail. Select the cell B7 that contains the formula responsible to calculate the net profit of the first quarter. Then, on the Data tab, in the Data Tools group, select What If Analysis, Goal-seek. In the Goal-seek window, the selected cell is displayed in the Set Cell box. Click the two-value box and enter 2,25,000. Click in the By Changing Cell box and then click cell B3 in the worksheet because this is the cell that all calculations are based on. Now click OK. The goal-seek status window is displayed and the figures for the first quarter are adjusted. You can see that for a profit of rupees 2,25,000, the sales value must be rupees 4,32,692.31. If you want to return the original values, click the Cancel button in the goal-seek status window. To keep the values displayed in the worksheet as a result of goal-seeking, click OK. You can flip between the after and before values. After you have closed the goal-seek status window, click the Undo button to display the original values before goal-seeking and click the Redo button to display the revised values.
Summary. You have reached the end of the lab. You have learned what is what-if analysis, what-if analysis tools in Excel, and using the goal-seek feature.